Hey friends, so today I am teaching you how to make a magic circle so that you can learn how to make this project tomorrow. So if that is interesting to you, if you want to learn how to make this absolutely stunning triangle scarf for yourself, you're going to want to watch this entire video to learn exactly how to make a magic ring so that you can make your own triangle scarf. All right, friends, so today's going to be real short and sweet. This is going to be a super fast tutorial, but this tutorial is crucial if you want to be able to make a triangle scarf or a top-down beanie or anything like that. I've seen magic circles made many different ways, and I have 8 kiddos, and I've taught 3 of them how to knit and how to crochet. And this is exactly how I've taught them and how I would teach you if you were sitting right in front of me and we were having a one-on-one lesson. So your success happens at the beginning of this. And so what I like to do, very similarly to how I've taught you in the past on how to make a slip knot, what I do is I take my tail. So this would be the tail, and the part that's connected to the ball would be considered the working yarn. So I take my tail and I kind of hold it and I wrap it around 2 fingers. I take my crochet hook, I slide it underneath both of those, and then I use my index finger to kind of hold everything in place. Next, I take my yarn and I yarn over, and you're going to notice that it's going to want to come out of your fingers because you're technically just holding it right there. So make sure that you're holding everything nice and secure. I yarn over, grab the tail and the string and pull it over so that now everything is connected underneath. Yarn over and pull it through, and now it's tight. So I would chain up just like that, and everything would be ready for me to do whatever my stitches are in the round. So if I wanted to do half double crochets, so let's just say I'm going to do 6 half double crochets, just in case you don't know what a magic ring actually is. We're going to work up these half double crochets just real quick. And so if I was starting my triangle scarf, like what I'm going to show you how to do tomorrow, I would do my amount of stitches that I need, and I take this tail and watch. You pull it tight, and now what was once open is now closed, as you can see. So I'm going to start at the beginning again and show you once more. Take your tail, take your 2 fingers, wrap 1, 2, kind of holding everything in place. Take your hook, slide it underneath, index finger to hold everything in place when you slide your fingers out. Take your working yarn, the one that's attached to the ball, yarn it over, and then grab the loop and the tail and pull it over so that now we can let that go, but don't pull too tight. Yarn over, and now it's officially attached. So you would never want to count these chains as a stitch. This is just what's securing everything in place, unless the pattern directs you otherwise, but most oftentimes the stitches to chain onto the magic circle typically don't count. So if we did this, I would say, okay, now you're going to do 6 half double crochets or 6 single crochets. I'll do it one more time just to show you, and I'll come up close. So we've got our tail. We're going to wrap 1, 2, hold it all together, take your hook, slide it under, use your finger, hold those 2 in place, take your working yarn, come over, then grab the loop, so grab one side of the loop and the tail, bring it over the hook, yarn over, and pull it through. And now you're ready to start going. Should I do it one more time? Let's just do it one more time. Tail in front, wrap 1, 2, take your hook, slide it underneath, grab your working yarn, yarn over, grab the tail and the ring, pull it over, and then yarn over and pull through, and you're secure. And that is how you make the magic circle, at least the beginning of it, until you get further along in your pattern. So if you want to have a quick 2-skein project to practice this on, you are going to want to watch tomorrow's video where I'm going to show you how to make a lovely triangle scarf. That one that I teased in the beginning. Gorgeous, right? You're going to learn how to do this. And it starts with learning how to do the magic circle, which you now know. So if you're excited, like, subscribe, and make sure that you tune in to tomorrow evening's premiere of the confetti triangle scarf. Bye, friends.